I'm Wolf Grylls, Bear Grylls' brother, and this is episode 5 on a 30-week adventure. And this week we're out here in the Himalayas, and this is my companion for this week. His name is D Wizzle Wizzle.
Now, it's time for us to find our backpacks with our resources inside.
Hey! Me! Alright, you're back with us and we got our packs. We got some twine again. We got a broken headlamp, which is very key for good sight in the night. Yeah. And we got this emergency heat blanket. What I'm really concerned about is the baggie, because it's good for carrying water. And what do you have in your bag?
It doesn't matter, let's go. Let's keep moving.
Keep moving. Hey, look here, D Wizzle Wizzle. We got some mushrooms. And a common knowledge is that mushrooms are actually, there are some that can be bad for you, but actually,
you know what? In reality, there's no mushrooms that you can't eat.
Yeah.
They're all good to eat.
Yes. That's a great mushroom right there.
Oh, yes.
Eat it. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice.
You know, sometimes, just to keep the body temperature up here in the Himalayas, you just have to sprint. Whether it's up the mountain or it's down the mountain, you just have to sprint, keep the body temperature up and going.
Oh, go! Oh, shit.
Okay. Now once they're done running, you have to learn to sleep, conserve the heat at the same time.
Insulation is key. Insulation. That's so great.
Yeah, this is man-made. This is a man-made bridge.
Definitely man-made.
I think we're at the extraction point.
We made it to the extraction point. I can hear the heavily at the top. We're going.
Right up
Let's
there.
go. Let's go.
We're about to